let's learn about the various causes of fire in a workshop. Fire in a workshop can be caused by mishandling of flammable liquids, short circuit in electrical components, or mishandling of battery. Let's take a closer look at the cause of fire due to mishandling of flammable liquids. As you can see, the engine oil and other liquid containers are not placed properly in its rack. The engine oil gets spilled on the floor near a damaged rectifier wire from which sparks are coming out. The oil catches fire after coming in contact with the sparks. Fires can be classified on the basis of their sources. Class A fire. The sources of this type of fire are freely burning solids, like paper, wood, cloth, etc. Class B fire. The sources of this type of fire are flammable liquids and liquefiable solids, like petrol, kerosene, wax, etc. Class C fire. The main source of this type of fire are flammable liquefied gases, like LPG, propane, etc. Class D fire. The sources of this type of fire are flammable metals, like sodium, magnesium, etc. Class E fire. The source of this type of fire is any electrical appliance. Class F fire. The sources of this type of fire are cooking oil, fat, etc. Class A fire usually occurs due to common day-to-day objects. This type of fire can be easily controlled by water. Example of materials responsible for Class A type fire are paper, cloth, wood, etc. Class B fire occurs due to flammable liquids and liquefiable solids. Water should never be used in such fires. Foam or dry powder extinguishers can be used to control a Class B fire. Example of materials which lead to Class B type fire are petrol, plastic, etc. Class C fire occurs due to flammable liquefied gases. High safety measures should be taken while dealing with liquefied gases, as they can explode and cause fire in a large area. Dry powder extinguisher can be used to control such fire. Example of gases which lead to such type of fire are LPG, methane, etc. Class D fire occurs in flammable metals. Example of metals which lead to such type of fire are sodium, potassium, etc. Class E fire occurs due to short circuit or overloading of current in any electrical appliance or conductors. For example, short circuit in any appliance or in wires. Class F fire occurs due to cooking oil and fat. Special type of extinguishers are available to put off this type of fire. Example of materials that lead to such fire are cooking oil, ghee, etc. Let's learn about the safety procedures that should be taken in case of fire. As soon as fire is seen, run to the nearest fire alarm and activate it by breaking the glass and pressing the red button. Also report to the nearest fire station as soon as possible. before the trained people of fire department arrive, and the fire is at its early stage. Efforts can be made to control the fire by using fire extinguishers. If fire cannot be controlled with the help of fire extinguishers, then the fire exit signs leading to stairs should be followed to vacate the building. Never turn on the switch having faulty plug, as you may get an electric shock. Never use any equipment with a cut in a wire, as you may get an electric shock due to absence of earthing.